Hi, hello, namaste. This is Koti Biological Science. Today we discuss about vitamins. First of all, we discuss about what is meant by vitamins. Next, we discuss about history of vitamins. History of vitamins. Next, we learn about types of vitamins. Next, we learn about what is meant by vitamins. Vitamins are organic substances. That means vitamins made up of carbon. Vitamins are organic substances. Vitamins are organic substances. That means made up of carbon element. Okay, these are nothing but vitamins. About history of vitamins. Vitamins was first time discovered by the C. Funk, Kashmir Funk in 1912 year. Vitamins was first discovered by the C. Funk in 1912 year. Before the Funk, Japan Navy people can be suffering from different types of eye related diseases. They eat liver of animals, again to reduce symptoms of eye diseases. They don't know which vitamin can be present in the liver. Okay, next after that H.G. Hopkins. H.G. Hopkins introduced one factor. This factor is nothing but additional factor. This additional factor present in the milk. He observed one factor in milk. This factor is nothing but additional factor. This is the history of vitamins. Next, we will learn about what are the symptoms of vitamins. You know that vitamins are made up of. Next, we learn about what are the characteristics of vitamins or what are the properties of vitamins. First of all, you know that vitamins are organic substances. Vitamins are micronutrients. You know that nutrients. Okay, generally we can observe two types of nutrients. First one, micronutrients. Second one, macronutrients. We know micronutrients to need small quantity of food materials in our body. These materials are nothing but micronutrients. Examples, vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals we can consider as micronutrients. Next, macronutrients. You know macronutrients to need large quantity of food materials. In our body, these materials are called macronutrients. We know that macronutrients, for example, carbohydrates. Yes, fats, proteins. Carbohydrates, fats and proteins we can consider as macronutrients. Okay, this classification based on the requirement of food materials in our body. So vitamins are micronutrients, that means to need small quantity. Next, we can observe source of vitamins. Generally we can observe two sources of vitamins are there. First one, vitamins we can take with our diet. That means we can take some food materials like fresh vegetables and fresh fruits. These vegetables and fruits consist of so many vitamins. Okay, this is the one source of vitamins. Second source, our small intestine to make our small intestine to prepare some vitamins. Okay, you know the small intestine consists of so many useful bacteria. These bacteria to prepare some vitamins, for example K vitamin and B12 vitamins. Okay, this is another source of vitamins. You know that There are two sources of vitamins. First one, our diet. Second one, our small intestine consists of so many bacteria. This bacteria to prepare some vitamins, for example K vitamin and B12 vitamins. Okay, these are symptoms of the vitamins. Next we discuss about types of vitamins. Okay, generally we can observe two types of vitamins. First one is nothing but water soluble vitamins. Second one, fat soluble vitamins. Okay, there are two types of vitamins are there, water soluble vitamins and fat soluble vitamins. This classification depending upon the solubility. What is water soluble vitamins? Some vitamins are dissolved in water, so these vitamins are nothing but water soluble vitamins. What is meant by fat soluble vitamins? Some vitamins are dissolved with fats, so these vitamins are nothing but fat soluble vitamins. We know that what are the vitamins are water soluble vitamins. Generally B and C vitamins are considered as water soluble vitamins. Next, fat soluble vitamins A, D, E and K vitamins, these are fat soluble vitamins. Next we will learn about water soluble vitamins and chemical name of water soluble vitamins and diseases of water soluble vitamins. Okay, let us begin water soluble vitamins. Okay, this is a B1 vitamin, B2 vitamin, B3 vitamin, B6 and B12. Okay, B12 vitamin. Next, folic acid, pantothenic acid, next biotin. These are B complex vitamin. Do you know two types of water soluble vitamins? Okay, B vitamin and B complex. B vitamin consists of so many vitamins, so that's why the reason this is nothing but B complex vitamin. B vitamin consists of B1, B2, B3 and B6 and B12 and folic acid and pantothenic acid and biotin. Now we discuss about what are the chemical names of these vitamins and what are the diseases of this vitamin. The chemical name of B1 vitamin, thiamine. We can suffering from beriberi disease. The lack of thiamine, we can suffering from beriberi disease. What are the symptoms of beriberi disease? For example, vomitings and fits. Okay, less appetite. These are nothing but symptoms of beriberi disease. Okay, did you understand? B1 vitamin, chemical name thiamine, disease beriberi disease, symptoms of beriberi disease, less appetite and vomitings and fits. These are symptoms of beriberi disease. Next, we discuss about second vitamin, B2 vitamin. The B2 vitamin chemical name riboflavin. We know that there are two types of ribonucleic acids. One is DNA, another one is RNA. How many types of ribonucleic acids are there? Two types of ribonucleic acids are there. So B2 vitamin is nothing but riboflavin. Okay, ఇక్కడ DNA కి RNA కి రైబోఫ్లేవిన్ కి మధ్య రిలేషన్ ఉందని అనుకోవద్దు. జస్ట్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవడానికి B2 అనే వర్డ్ యూజ్ చేయడం జరిగింది. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్, the lack of riboflavin we can observe one disease. This is nothing but glossitis. Okay, B2 vitamin chemical name riboflavin. Next, glossitis. This is the deficiency disease of B2 vitamin. What are the symptoms of glossitis? For example, cracks of mouth, cracks of mouth and redness of mouth. Cracks of mouth and redness of mouth, these are symptoms of glossitis disease. నాలుక అనేది ఎర్రగా మారిపోవడము, నోటి మూలలు అనేది పగుళ్ళు ఏర్పడము, these are symptoms of B2 vitamin. Next we discuss about third vitamin. This is nothing but B3 vitamin. What is the chemical name of B3? Okay, niacin is the chemical name of B3. We can suffering from one type of disease, lack of niacin. This is nothing but pellagra. This is nothing but pellagra. What are the symptoms of pellagra? For example, scaly skin. Okay na, scaly skin and photophobia. These are symptoms of pellagra disease. Scaly skin means rashes on the skin. Photophobia, here photo means sunlight, phobia means fear. Okay, these are symptoms of B3 vitamin. Next we discuss about B6 vitamin. Next we discuss about B6 vitamin. The chemical name of B6, pyridoxine. The chemical name of B3, pyridoxine. Okay, this is the chemical name of B6. We can suffering from one disease. This disease is nothing but anemia. Okay, the chemical name of B6 pyridoxine deficiency disease, anemia. Next, the chemical name of B6 cyanocobalamin. Cyanocobalamin, this is the chemical name of B vitamin. Okay, here we can observe one element. Which element can be present in cyanocobalamin? This element is nothing but cobalt. Cobalt element can be present in B12 vitamin. This is the important vitamin. That means our small intestine to make this vitamin. Our small intestine consists of so many microorganisms. That means bacteria. This bacteria to prepare some vitamins. For example, B12 vitamin. We can suffering from one type of disease. This is nothing but pernicious anemia. Okay, B6 anemia గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవచ్చు. B6కి డబల్ చేస్తే B12 అని చెప్పుకోవచ్చు. మనకి ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి ఎనీమియా డబల్ చేసామంటే పెర్నీషియస్ ఎనీమియా ఎలా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవచ్చు. ఓకేనా, దిస్ ఆర్ B complex vitamins. Not only these vitamins, we can observe another type of vitamins also are there. Another type of B vitamins also are there. Folic acid. Okay, na, folic acid. We can suffering from anemia. Okay, na, folic acid. This is one type of B1. Folic acid, this is one type of B vitamin. We can suffering from anemia. For example, to make or manufacturing of DNA and RNA in the presence of the folic acid, this is the importance of folic acid. This is the importance of folic acid. Next, vitamin pantothenic acid. Next, B vitamin pantothenic acid. Okay, now do you know pantothenic acid? Pantothenic acid caused for the burning pits. Okay, for example here pantothenic burning pit. మీరు ప్యాంట్ కానీ సరిగా వేసుకోకపోతే మీకు అరికాళ్ళు మంటలు పుడతాయి. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ pantothenic acid. This is the hint of pantothenic acid. Next we discuss biotin vitamin. This is also one type of B complex vitamin, biotin. The lack of biotin we can observe nerve disorders. Do you know nerve disorders? Nerve disorders అంటే nerve system అనేది సరిగా పనిచేయకపోవడం. ఎందుకు సరిగా పనిచేయట్లేదు అంటే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ బయోటిన్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్? బయోటిన్. హియర్ బయో మీన్స్ యూ రిమెంబర్ వన్ థింగ్, బయోలాజికల్ ప్రాసెసెస్. దట్ మీన్స్ మెటబాలిక్ యాక్టివిటీస్ కానీ బాగా జరిగితే మనకి నర్వ్స్ డిసీజెస్ అనేవి రావు. ఓకేనా, మెటబాలిక్ యాక్టివిటీస్ సరిగా జరగట్లేదు కాబట్టి మనకు వచ్చే డిసీజెస్ని నర్వ్ డిజార్డర్స్ అని చెప్పాం, అలా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. ఓకేనా, బయోటిన్ ఈజ్ ద వన్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ బి కాంప్లెక్స్ విటమిన్ we can suffering from nerve disorders. These are B complex vitamins. Next, another water soluble vitamin. This is nothing but C vitamin. C vitamin. The chemical name of C vitamin, ascorbic acid. Okay, the chemical name of C vitamin, ascorbic acid. We can suffering from one type of disease. The disease is called scurvy disease. Scurvy disease. The lack of C vitamin, we can suffering from one disease. This is nothing but scurvy disease. What is the scurvy disease? Okay, bleeding gums. This is the scurvy disease. Okay, na? C vitamin can be used for to increase immunity power. To increase immunity power, and also to use it for formation of bone. Formation of bones. Formation of bones. This is the importance of C vitamin. Next we learn about fat soluble vitamins. Second type of vitamins are fat soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins. Okay, you know that fat soluble vitamins are dissolved in fat. Okay, examples of fat soluble vitamin A, D and E. K vitamins are fat soluble vitamins. First of all, we learn about A vitamin. The chemical name of A vitamin, retinol. Retina. Do you know retina? Retina the third layer of the eye. So A vitamin is nothing but retinol. Ala gurtu pettukovali. The deficiency of A vitamin, we can suffering from different types of eye diseases. One is the eye disease is nothing but gyraphthalmia. Second, night blindness and etc. Different types of eye related diseases we can suffer from lack of A vitamin. Next we learn about D vitamin. Okay, D vitamin. What is the chemical name of D vitamin? Calciferol. This is the chemical name of D vitamin. We can suffering from one type of disease. This is nothing but rickets disease. Okay, generally this rickets disease we can observe in small children. Okay, next we discuss about E vitamin. The chemical name of E vitamin, tocopherol. Okay, this is the chemical name of E vitamin. We can suffering from different types of diseases. For example, males, sterility in males, abortion in females, These are different types of diseases in lack of E vitamin. Next we discuss about K vitamin. The chemical name of K vitamin, phylloquinone. The deficiency disease. Blood does not clot in our body, clotting of blood.